Division long way, 3-digit number by 1 digit. This is page number 118. So take out page number 118 of your book and try to understand these questions. Divide 369 by 3. As your exercise name is division long way, 3-digit number. So here 369 is the 3-digit number. How it is 3-digit number? 9 is in 1 space, 6 is in 100 place, 10 space, and 3 is in 100 place. So 369 is the 3-digit number and by 1 digit. So we are dividing by 1 digit as this number 3 is 1 digit. So here 369 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. Clear? Now as you know that dividend we put inside this symbol and divisor outside of it. Here divisor is 3 and dividend is 369. When we divide the number, we start with the last number. Here is 3 is in 100 place. So we start writing from the 100 place. 3 is in 100 place. So we start from here. So you have to read the table of 3 and check when in the table of 3, 3 comes the same number which is given on the 100 place. That comes you or the number which is less than that, just less than that. Okay, you should not write more than the number which is given on this last digit 100 place or 10s place. Okay, so the number should be less than the 100 place or the same number, but you should not write the more number. Clear? I am telling you in Hindi also. ये जो नंबर 100 प्लेस पे होता है, अगर 2 डिजिट नंबर है तो 10 प्लेस को देखना है, अगर 3 डिजिट नंबर है तो 100 प्लेस को देखना है. ठीक? और जो नंबर 100 प्लेस पे है उस नंबर के बराबर उस सेम नंबर होना चाहिए या तो उससे कम होना चाहिए, जस्ट कम, जो एकदम उसके कम हो, तुरंत वाला, ये नहीं कि बहुत कम, उसके जो नियर अबाउट है वो नंबर होना चाहिए, पर उस नंबर से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. So when you read the table of 3, 3 ones are 3. You got the same number. That's why we have written below this 100 place this 3 and 1 is your quotient. Okay, 1 is written above. Clear? Now you have to subtract 3 minus 3. So you will get here 0. So it is not necessary to write 0, or if you are writing 0 or putting the cross, there is no problem. That is also correct. Next, you have to take down the number 6 which is given as 10s place. Here in 10s place. Okay. We have brought down the number 6. Clear? Now again you have to read the table till you are not getting the number 6, the same number or the number just below that. Clear? ये जब तक तब तक टेबल पढ़ेंगे जब तक टेबल में वो नंबर ना आ जाए या तो उसके पास का नंबर होना चाहिए, तुरंत पास वाला, बहुत कम वाला नहीं. सो विल रीड द टेबल. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6. व्हेन यू read the table of 3 2 times you got 6. दो बार ही टेबल पढ़ा, 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, तो हमको 6 मिल गया. तो हमने क्या किया, 3 2 2 is his quotient and 6 is written here. Clear? Now you have to subtract these two numbers. 6 minus 6 again 0. So you can put cross or 0. Now next is 9. Now you have to brought down the number 9. अब 9 को नीचे लिखेंगे. Again read the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. So here you have to write 9 as dividend and 3 as quotient. Now subtract it. 9 minus 9, 0. So in this question 123 is your quotient and remainder is 0. Clear children? Now I will do some questions for you of your book. That question you have to do in classwork copy and the remaining in your homework copy. Here in the book, first question is given in your book. Three hundred 36 divided by 3. Okay. Now what you have to do, children? You have to read the table of 3 as this is the divisor. So 3 ones are 3 ones are 3. We got the same number. So we can write the same number or less than the number 3, but you should not write more than the number which is given here in the 100 place. This is the 100 place. So it should not be more than that. Now what you have to do? Remember the steps. Now you have to subtract it. Put the sign of subtract, draw a line, and 3 minus 3, 0. So you can put cross also. Now you have to put down the number 3. Now again read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. You got the same number. Again you have to write 1 as the quotient and write 3 below that. Now subtract it. 3 minus 3, 0. So again you can put cross. Now what you have to bring down? Neatly you do this work. Draw this straight line with your scale, and teacher is using finger. No, you have to use your scale and pencil and keep down the number 6, 6. Now read the table of 3 till you are not getting 6. Like 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. In second time only you got 6. So 3 2s are 3 multiply 2. 3 into 2. You got 6. Now what you have to do? Minus it. Okay. Then here is no space, no, but in your copy, that's why I am telling you to do in the copy. Don't write in the book. Take enough space and complete your work neatly. 6 minus 6 is 0. Clear? So here in this question, then you have to write quotient. Quotient is 112 and remainder is 0. Now your question is completed. Now I am doing one more question for you. This next question I am doing for you is that, okay, 4 divide 840. Clear? Now read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. This is your rough work. Okay, you can make in your copy also at the side. 4 2 8. When we multiplied 4 2 times, 4 into 2. 4 into 2, you got the 8. You have to look at the 100 place, children. Remember that. You have to start from your left hand side. Now what you have to do? You tell me what you have to do. We have to subtract, isn't it? Yes. Now subtract it. 8 minus 8, 0. Now what you have to do? Make arrow and bring down the number 4. Now again read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. One time only you got the number 4. 4 minus 4, 0. You can put cross. Now this 0 is left. Directly also you can write this 0 at the up, or if you bring down the 0 like other numbers 0, then 4 zeros are 0. Okay, so what will remain? 0 minus 0, 0. So here your quotient is 210 and remainder is 0. Got it? One last question I am going to do for you, that is 864, sorry, 64 divide by 2. Now you have to read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 fours are 8. When you multiplied 2 by 4 times, you got the number 8. Write 8 below that. Subtract it. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now what you have to do? Keep down the number 6. 2 3 ja 2 3 ja 6. 6 minus 6 0. Now bring down 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay, minus it. 4 minus 4 0. Do it neatly in your copy, not like me, okay, because I am not getting proper space, that's why I am writing this way. You have to write neatly in the copy. You want more questions? Okay, one more I am doing for you. 963. You know children, for maths you need practice. You have to do more and more questions. Try to do more questions. Okay, then you will learn it. You will get habit of doing that. Now what you have to do? Read the, as 3 is the divisor, you have to read the table of 3. Okay, till you are not getting the number 9. Read it. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9. Got 9? So what you have to write here? 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 9 minus 9, 0. Bring down number 6. Now again read the table of 3. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. Minus 6 minus 6, 0. Now bring 3 down. Now read the table of 3. 3 1s are 3. Minus 0. Then quotient is 321. Clear? So this way you have to complete this page number 118. Now I am doing one question of page number 119. Page number 119. Okay, one question of this page. First question I am doing for you. Here the number is 534. Divide by 2. Now what you have to do children? You have to read the table of 2. As I have told, because this is divisor, you have to read the table of 2. As I have told that you have to read the table of 2 till you are not getting the number which is given on 100 place. आपको 2 का टेबल पढ़ना है तब तक जब तक ये जो 100 प्लेस में नंबर है वो ना मिल जाए. अगर वो नंबर नहीं मिलता है तो उससे पीछे वाला नंबर चाहिए, उससे आगे नहीं बढ़ना है. ठीक है, क्योंकि फिर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे. एंड वी नो डिविजन इज़ द रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन. हमने ये पढ़ा है डिवीजन बार बार सब्ट्रैक्शन को कहते हैं. बार बार जब हमको माइनस करना पड़ता है तो हम डिवाइड करते हैं. ठीक है, अब चलो 2 का टेबल पढ़ते हैं. 2 1 सा 2, 2 2 सा 4, 2 3 सा 6. 2 3 सा क्या होता है? 6. देखो 2 1 सा 2, 2 2 सा 4, 2 3 सा 6. अब ये देखो 6 क्या हो गया? 5 से ज़्यादा हो गया. 6 ये 5 से हमारे 100 प्लेस वाले से ज़्यादा हो गया. तो हमको क्या करना है? 2 टाइम्स ही जाएंगे. 2 2 सा 4. समझ गए? अब क्या करना है हमें? पुट द साइन ऑफ माइनस. नाउ सबट्रैक्टेड. 5 minus 4. Take out your 5 finger. Yes. Now close 4. What is left? 1 finger is left. So you have to write 1. Now you have to take down this number 3. Okay. Again read the table of 2. Read the table of 2 till you are not getting the number 13 or the number nearest to 13, but it should be less than 13. It should not be more than 13. अब फिर से 2 का टेबल पढ़ेंगे और 13 के पास वाला नंबर पे पहुंचेंगे जो 13 से कम होना चाहिए लेकिन 13 से ज़्यादा नहीं, और एकदम नियरेस्ट वाला 13 के. ठीक है, चलो 2 1 सा 2, 2 3 सा 2 2 सा 4, 2 3 सा 6, 2 4 सा 8, 2 5 सा 10, 2 6 सा 12, 2 7 सा 14. अब हम 2 7 अगर 2 7 टाइम्स ले जाएंगे तो 14 आ जाएगा। तो 14 अगर लिखेंगे तो क्या करेक्ट होगा? नहीं, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग, बिकॉज 14 इज़ मोर देन 13। 14 तो 13 से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा ना, तो हम 14 नहीं लिखेंगे। हम क्या लिखेंगे? 2 6 12। हम एक नंबर पीछे ही रहेंगे। 2 6 12। ठीक है, अब माइनस करो। 3 minus 2 1. Now you have to, what is left here? 4 is left here, so you have to take down number 4 again. Now what number you have? 14. अब देखो 2 के टेबल में 14 आता है। 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 7 are 14 minus. Now 14 minus 14, 0 is left. 0 also you can write, or cross also you can make. And here your quotient is 267. Clear? Understood? I hope so. Okay, try to do all that questions. If you have doubt, you can ask me. अगर कुछ डाउट लगे तो ज़रूर पूछ लेना, ठीक है? और पूरे क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट करो. डू पेज 118 and 19 in your copy. Do it in your copy neatly, okay? 2 questions in 1 page. Then use next page. Do the work neat and clean. Thank you, children.